All right, folks, good morning. All right, let's get started here. So for today, Thursday, April 17th, we have the following information. At 8:30 a.m., we had unemployment claims, which came in better than expected at 215,000. We have Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, which came in worse than expected at negative 26.4. We have building permits, which came in better than expected at 1.48 million. And housing starts that came in better than expected, or worse than expected, excuse me, at 1.32 million. Expectation was 1.42. At 11:45 a.m., we'll have FOMC member Barr speaking. Not expecting that to have a massive impact. And that's it for today. So only one other data point coming out at 11:45, and it's not expected to be important. Taking a look at the pre-market, here's what we see so far. Currently, the NASDAQ is poised to open slightly higher than where it closed yesterday, but still well below where it closed a few days ago. And as of right now, it doesn't look like the action is very bullish, so probably will move back down towards the previous session's close. We'll see. Other than that, we did not have any opportunities to discuss from yesterday's trading. But let's take a look at what's moving in the pre-market. All right, so in the pre-market, here's what we have so far. I have AREC. That is currently up 17% on about 3.9 million shares. It's at least $1 per share, so we'll go ahead and add that to our pre-market watch list. The symbol is AREC. Okay, next up is QURE. That is presently up 41% on 3.6 million shares. It's at least $1 per share, so we'll add QURE to the list. Next up is still looking. Okay, actually that's it. So just those two are the ones I found. If you folks see any other stocks meeting all four criteria, let me know in the chat. So I'll post the ones I just found, AREC and QURE. Now we're looking for a NASDAQ listed stock that's trading at least $1 per share in a pre-market session. Must have achieved at least a 6% price change at this moment, positive or negative, and at least 1 million shares of pre-market volume. SMX is mentioned, that does qualify, 47%, 24 million shares. It's over $1 per share, so we can add that. Hertz, HTZ is mentioned. And that is currently up about 27% on 18.3 million shares, at least $1 per share, so we can go ahead and add that. CMND is mentioned. That's currently up 17.5% on about 6 million shares, at least $1 per share. So we'll go ahead and add that. Next up is TGL, which is currently up 9.71%, 10.5 million shares, at least $1 per share. So we'll add that. TGL to the list. Okay, IOTR. And that is currently down 27.5%, 1.4 million shares, at least $1 per share. So we can add that as well. All right, so it looks like that wraps it up. So we'll go ahead and wrap up for today's pre-market pulse. Please be sure to like the video. See, we have 7 likes, more than 7 people watching. So please be sure to hit the like button, which greatly helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you get notifications when we produce a new video. If anyone's watching this video on a replay and you're not familiar with our company, be sure to check out fundertrading.com. That's our website. You will see a link in the description to this video. Other than that, for everyone who's part of the coaching program, I will see you there in about 20 minutes. We'll pick up for today's session. All right, have a great trading day, folks. I'll see you for tomorrow's Premarket Pulse. Yep, I have SMX at it. SMX is at it. Take care.